Today we're going to show you how easy it is to keep a list of items that you've read or items that you would like to read or other lists that may interest you in the library catalog. We do not keep lists of items that patrons have read for privacy reasons, but it's very easy for you to keep those lists yourself in your account. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to the Will Rogers Library Catalog, and up in the right-hand corner, click Log In. Enter your library card number, which is all of the digits on the back of your card without spaces. And your PIN number, which is the last 4 digits of your library card unless you've customized it. And click Login. Now if you've seen the library tips and tricks video, you know that you can just type a backslash into the search bar to bring up everything the library catalog has to offer. Of course, there are many uses for lists, keeping track of books that you have read, books that you would like to read, all the books by a specific author. Perhaps one of the most used ways is to keep track of new titles, because new titles always have many items checked out when they first come in. By the time those titles are checked back in, you may have forgotten some of those new releases that you wanted to read. Let's look at how easy it is to use the list feature to keep track of those titles. In the filters, I'm going to look under Format for Book. And then New Titles that have been added in the last month. And in the collection, let's say I'm more of a fiction reader. This lists all of the titles that we've received recently. Right now, several are available, some are not available. You can put any item on a list, whether it's currently available in the library or not. To start your list, simply go through and select the items that you know you might want to read by putting a check mark in the little box on the right-hand side. Once you've selected your items, simply return to the top of the screen and under Select Action, click on the drop-down arrow. Click Add to List, create New List, and you can title your list any way you like. We'll call this one New February Fiction and click Save. You'll see that the titles have been saved in the green message bar at the top. And if you go up to the very top and click on your account and click on Saved Lists, you will see all of the lists you've created on the left-hand side. Let's do one more. Let's say that I am a fan of James Patterson, and we know that James Patterson has written 5 billion books, right? So we're going to type in James Patterson book, and we want to limit this to his fiction works. As you can see, there are 120 of them. And you can sort these by publication date or title if it makes it easier for you. And just as we did before, simply go through, select the items that you've already read, select Action, Add to List, create New List, James Patterson books I have already read, and save. Now once you've saved your lists, it's easy to print them out to bring them to the library. Click on your account, Saved Lists, choose the list that you're interested in. For example, New February Fiction. Click on Print List, and it will give you a concise, itemized list that you can print out and take to the library. It's such a convenient feature, and I hope you find this helpful. It's so easy to do. And of course, if you do need assistance finding other items, we are always happy to help you.